Are you a person that has a hobby or a passion or something you love to do, but you might not necessarily know how to create content for it? This is the video for you. What is good, YouTube? My name is Rossmann and you are watching Tross Films. How do you know if you have a good editing software? How do you know that you have the right camera for you? How do you make a dope video that people actually want to watch? These are some questions that you might have. A friend of mine is wanting to start creating content online, specifically for a niche in fitness. And when he started asking me specific questions, I had a light bulb moment where I could create a series on content creating for beginners. I'm gonna be addressing the most common questions I get regarding how to actually start making videos online. Things that I myself made mistakes so many times, try and error, until I finally was able to get it right. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to actually start producing content. This is the way that is gonna save you the most amount of money and actually get you results. To get a feel for what this series is gonna be, here are some example topics. Reasons why you shouldn't buy a camera to shoot video. How do you navigate a video editing software in the most simplest, easiest way? What are some do's and don'ts of shooting? Why should you actually care about audio? How do I shoot, edit, record, and upload on my phone? And so many more. You can do a how-to instructional video, you can do an unboxing, you can do a review video, you can do a documentary style interview footage, something like that, and so many more. There's so many different ways that you can put your hobby, your passion, your product, and start creating content yourself. And the last thing is that this is a no baloney guide, which basically means I'm gonna cut away all the fluff, all of the stuff that people sugarcoat things, and just get to what's actually important. And this is something that's entirely free. There's no cost, and I'm not gonna try to sell you anything. This is something that I would have loved to have had when I was first starting creating content, and that is the reason why I wanna make it, to help those around me who also wanna start creating. If you wanna get your hands on learning real practical things you can do, subscribe now. The video series will be launching very shortly. If you have any specific questions yourself or want to go into any topics that I might not be addressing, feel free to comment below whatever question you may have. As always, my name is Rossmann. Thank you so very much for taking the time out of your to watch. It means a lot, and I'll catch you on the Content Creator Series. Peace out from Arizona. Watch out!